Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're back at it with a natural makeup tutorial. Today I'm bringing you this fresh face, super light, super easy, everyday makeup look. I tend to do more dramatic looks on my channel, so I wanted to switch it up and do something nice and natural for you guys. This is kind of my everyday. I don't wear makeup every day, but if I'm going out and I want to feel more put together, this is usually the routine I will do. I sometimes will do a little bit less, do a little bit more. This is just a super simple makeup tutorial. There's really nothing fancy about it. It is pretty much just back to basics. So if you guys are interested in seeing how to get this look, then just keep watching. To smooth out my face and fill in my pores and prime today, I will be using the Benefit Porefessional Primer. This is a great everyday primer. It just smooths your skin out really nicely and it helps to hold your makeup on all day long. Picking up my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. I have been loving this stuff lately. I've actually been reaching for it a lot. I feel like the color just goes really well with my brow color when I tint my brows because my brows are lighter than my natural hair color, so I like to darken them so they match the hair color that I have on now because that is not natural. I don't know why I'm going off into a rant about my hair color. My point being, I've been reaching for this product a lot. I really like the way it blends out. I feel like I have a lot of control with it. I believe this is the Anastasia number 14 brush. It may be the 12 brush, but I just like the spoolie on the end of it because it is very sturdy, so I feel like I can really blend the product out nicely. And then on the tip of that brush, it just makes it really easy to go in and do hair-like strokes. So I'm just going to fill in my brows. I do this kind of lighter when I am going for a more natural makeup look. I just want to add a little bit of definition and slightly fill them in, but by no means am I going for like a super dramatic, strong brow. Now I'm picking up my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. I love this stuff. It is a full coverage concealer. I use this as more of a corrector because the shade I have it in has a peachy undertone to it, so it works really well to cancel out my dark circles. I like using this product in summer because it conceals, it cancels out any dark circles, and I feel like I actually look awake when I use this, which is huge because I'm a perpetually tired human being and it's an issue. We're working on it. Now I'm just going in with my L'Oreal Pro Glow Concealer just on the very inner corner and around my nose, just to conceal any spots that I feel like need concealing. Now I'm picking up my Soleil Chanel Cream Bronzer and I'm putting this on the perimeters of my face. I'm focusing this on my temples, my cheekbones, and my jawbone just to really go in and bronze up the face where the sun would naturally hit, where I tend to get a little bit more of a tan. Now I'm going in with my RCMA No Color Powder and I'm using that to strictly set my under eye and the very center of my face where I tend to get a little bit oily, but by no means am I putting powder all over my face or anything like that. I just want to set the areas that tend to get a little shiny and where I put that concealer. Now I'm taking my Benefit Gimme Brow Plus and I'm just putting this over my brows just to set them in place and add a little extra color. This is a great brow gel and the little spoolie makes it really easy to go in with a precise application. Now I'm going to curl my lashes before applying mascara. When I'm not going to be applying false lashes, I like to curl my lashes a lot. So what I do is I will originally go in and curl the lash and then I will go in and squeeze to kind of do like a repetitive motion on the lash curler. And then also sometimes what I will do is slightly angle it up by creating an angle kind of almost 90 degrees to your eye. I know that sounds drastic, but what that does is it just really enhances that lift and that curl. So I'm just making sure that I really curl my lashes before going in and applying my Tarte Surfer Curl mascara. As you can see, I have the little trial size of this, but I honestly love this mascara so much. I will be picking up a full size. The wand works really nicely. I feel like it gives my lashes really good length and volume. Now I'm picking up my Colourpop Super Shock Highlighter in the shade Lunch Money and I'm putting that on my very inner corner of my eyes, and then I'm also putting that on my brow bone. This is just going to highlight and help lift those areas and brighten them up a little bit. And personally, I love an inner corner highlight. I feel like it makes such a huge difference in just opening and brightening up the eyes. And then I'm also going to take that highlighter and I'm going to put it on my cheekbones just very lightly just to add a little bit of a glow, so when the sun hits, I feel like I'm just living life. I'm glowing a little bit. You can never go wrong with a little highlighter, ladies and gents. And then to finish off this look, I'm picking up my YSL Tint-in-Oil. This is such a bougie product. It is an oil, but it also leaves a tint. It smells really nice and leaves your lips super hydrated. Alright ladies and gents, so this completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just wanted to show you what I do on a day-to-day basis if I'm going out and I need to feel put together. This isn't like the bare minimum. I'd say it's probably like a step above the bare minimum for me. Usually I'll just do like concealer, sometimes mascara and brows, and that's it. So I just wanted to show you guys something a little bit more simple because I do tend to do more dramatic looks. I know that is not everyone's cup of tea. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this more natural tutorial. It was a little bit quicker today. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please click that button down below. I appreciate each and every single one of you and all of your support. I'm just so grateful. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and feel free to leave some comments down below letting me know what you thought of this video or what kinds of looks you would like to see from me in the future. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I do post daily on there and you can kind of keep up with my day-to-day life. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.